In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome extension download interrupted error. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look toward the top right corner of the browser window. This is where you normally see the menu icon, which looks like 3 vertical dots. Open that menu and then go into Chrome settings. Once you are inside Chrome settings, you may see options related to privacy, appearance, search engine, default browser, and other settings. For this fix, you need to find the section called Reset and Cleanup. Click Reset and Cleanup from the left menu. After clicking Reset and Cleanup, look at the main area of the settings page. You should see an option called Cleanup Computer. Select Cleanup Computer. On the Cleanup Computer screen, look for the button labeled Find. Click Find to start the cleanup scan. Once you click it, Chrome will begin checking your computer for harmful software. When the cleanup process is finished, restart your browser. Close Google Chrome completely, and then open it again. At this point, the interrupted download error may be resolved if it was caused by unwanted software or a browser issue that the cleanup tool could address. That covers everything you need to know.